channel. And today's video, if you read by the title, you already know we have another small business here I'm going to be unboxing. So I don't actually remember how I found this brand, but it just popped up, I think, on my explore page or something like that. But y'all, I'm super excited that I found them. Like, seriously, top three. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. So this is a brand called SoSoCute. Like I said, I found them on Instagram, and I am glad I found them. Just look at the packaging. This note card is real cute. At first I thought it was like one of those like envelope thing when you open it up. I was trying to get at it, like trying to see what's something inside. Silly old me. But anyways, like I said, I found her on Instagram, and she is a Latina owned, of course. And you know, I think she's like just starting out not too long ago, maybe in September. But here's what the packaging is looking like. Too cute, like literally. These jars are adorable, and I love how she got the heart and the soul. And of course, this is her fall collection. It's a total of 8 colors, and they're all beautiful dark shades. Like, it's giving definitely fall vibes. Not too many people I've seen have this type of fall collection, like these deep and very pigmented colors. And let me just tell y'all, overall 10 out of 10. You're gonna see these swatches, I'm gonna tell y'all, you gotta get them. No doubt, I'm not even hyping it up. This is the type of formula that I look for when I search for brands. And I was a little bit iffy about it, because y'all know how I feel about going out on a limb and buying stuff. But I'm glad I did. She does have like a nude collection, but I decided to get the fall because I really don't need any more nudes. But I'm definitely probably gonna have to go back and get some more nudes. The whole collection is sold out right now for the nudes, but this is a fall one. Let me tell you something. I was real mad because after I ordered, a couple days later, she had a 30% off sale. I was like, see, this is why you have to wait. I am so impatient, because originally I was supposed to get somebody else fall collection, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna get hers. And these powders are like, this whole collection is retailed at $120, but I did use the discount code SoSoCute, I believe, and that's, you get 10% off automatically. And I think that's just in general. So if you shop, you can use that discount code. She is a fairly new small business, so I do want y'all to go out and support. You know, I love small business, anything woman owned, of course. And y'all know how I feel about my Latinas, of course. Like Bomb Nails, she's Latina owned, and the products are amazing. So these did not come to play. Like, just watch this powder right here. And you know me, I love nude, so of course I swatched my browns first anyway, because why not? Just look at it. Polymerized very quickly. And if I had to compare this to something, I will say this is better than I'm trying to see who can I compare it to that I've like legitimately will say it gives a run for his money. I would say probably, like, it's giving not polished vibes. Like, it's giving like really high quality, high end. Like, y'all see, it's not runny at all. These are the type, I know some people don't like these type of powders where it doesn't move. It's kind of like muddy or putty. Y'all know what I'm talking about, like that kind of formula. But this is what I love. Like, literally, it straight melts. Like, look at this. Look at this. You literally don't even need as much monomer that I'm using in my brush at all. Little to no monomer is needed for these type of powders right here. They maneuver down the nail nicely. Like, these type of powders is great for one bead method or one ball method, whatever you want to call it. Like, seriously, if I wanted to, for all these swatches, I could have did one big old chunk and did a one ball method. But for me, I too much try to stay away from the one bead method, because you got to be careful when you're doing a one bead method, especially on your hand or on clients, because that's typically where the heat spikes come in at. But look at this swatch, y'all. Look at it up against my skin. So beautiful. I am loving this. And y'all, I got to go back. I'm probably going to wait, because like I said, she had that 30% off. I was like, I just ordered this like couple days before, and this came really, really quick. She's based in California, I think, and this came in no time, which I love. And I was super excited because these colors although did I need it? No. But did I get it? Of course. These are different shades that I don't have in my collection. Like literally, most of my collection is fall colors. And these are the fall colors that I do not have. So I was like real stoked about this, especially these browns. Like y'all can't tell me. Just look at this. No hype. Overall, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm going to make sure I link her Instagram, all the good stuff down below. And like I said, the discount code I use was SoSoCute. That saves you 10%. I think that's a generic code. So, of course, I'm going to leave that code down below for y'all. And I just feel as though I'm always team small business. I don't care. Because a lot of time people sleep on small business because literally, y'all have to realize that everybody or a lot of brands that's starting out or something, they're definitely like the same level of what's, these big companies are. Like it's literally acrylic powder, It's not too much difference between them, you know what I'm saying? You got the good, you got the bad. And this one is on the high spectrum end, of course. Like I told y'all, with me, I'm iffy about buying products. Of course, I hate to waste money, but this was not a waste. I am super excited that I went out on a limb and took that chance. But look at this. Y'all cannot tell me these powders are it. Like I said, y'all definitely just go ahead and shop. It definitely I think when people go out and support small business, it definitely puts a smile on their faces as opposed to big brands you're just a number to them. I'm not saying big brands think, oh, you just a number, but just think about it. It just makes people feel good that somebody's shopping and find I still am amazed, and I'm grateful that I did find her. That's why when I be on Instagram, I just be scrolling, and I so happened to see this collection. She had it, showing it, and it's just new to release, and I was like, oh, and I saw that it's a real super small business. And y'all know with me, not originally, but in the beginning of my channel, I was just going out and finding small business to review and bring to y'all. And I'm glad I'm so just look at it. And I am gonna, not in my next video, but maybe in a couple videos, I am gonna be doing a set with these. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already seen that the Powerpuff Girls set I did with these browns that's in this collection. Of course, if you follow me on Instagram, you would already seen that, saw that. And of course, I am gonna post the shorts on here of that nail set. I didn't record it because sometimes some things don't always have to be recorded, Lately I haven't been recording like I used to, back to back real consistently. Nowadays I record once a week and just post whenever I get a chance. But I'm gonna stop blathering, let y'all enjoy this, and I'm gonna come back in.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see the eye? And I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he made me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do, all of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Love has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars dancing. It's true. It's true. I'm scared of the changing. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Rest is in my life for him. Yeah. Rest is in my life for him. Yeah.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you, before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
Hello everyone, I'm back. I just want to go ahead and I just want to come in and correct myself because I call it her fall collection. Let me go ahead and come correct. This is called the Cutest Autumn Collection, so it's not just the fall collection. This is the cutest fall collection. I mean the cutest autumn collection. Let me get it right, okay? So I do apologize for that. But also, like I told y'all, if you still watching this video and you haven't opened up, click that link and went ahead and got you these colors, what you waiting on? This is retail that I told you $120 is real cheap for 2 ounces, and let alone have 8 in this collection. If you think about it, usually some people have collection where they have 10 acrylics and they be 1 ounces and they be like 160 and stuff like that. She sells these in 2 ounces, and I think individually I think these are like $16.95 for 2 ounces, which is that's a pretty good deal. That's generally where companies retail that, well, it's a little bit lower than what companies set theirs at, if you think about it, because I know HM6 sells her 2 ounce for like 16 something, all $16.99. Now Polish, they sell there for $20. I think what's the other brand, like some other brand, it's 2 other brands, I can't think of the name, sell their 2 ounce for I think like $22, something like that. Some people sell these for 18. So this is on the affordable low end type of thing, but these are high quality acrylic powder, so I do recommend these. And y'all see by the swatches, they speak for themselves. If you're the type that likes powders like this, how like I'm showing y'all, because all of this is in real time, nothing is sped up, y'all know me, real time application, and I can't wait to get started with some nail sets. So with that being said, y'all definitely check her out. This is the last color in her cutest autumn collection, and I definitely recommend these hands down. Look how beautiful that is. And I'm going to make sure I leave everything in the description box below. I really want y'all to check her out. Go show some love, support. Even if you can't purchase, just go on her Instagram, like and comment, and so here's what these beautiful colors are looking like. And without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Bye.